Lebanese grilled fish. Hi, welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. I'm Rupa here. Now I'll show you how to grill a fish the Lebanese style. So let's go ahead with the ingredients. Around half kilo of ravas I'm taking, which is clean and gutted and nice slits made into it. You can use a red snapper or any whole fish. 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves, 1 cup of grated carrot, 1 tablespoon crushed garlic, 2 tablespoons of parsley finely chopped, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 1 teaspoon Lebanese spice, 1 tablespoon roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, juice of 1 lemon, salt to taste, and about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. The method is, let's make the stuffing for the fish and then we will go ahead and treat the fish. So take a bowl, take the crushed garlic, coriander, the carrots, parsley, chilies, the Lebanese spice and the pepper powder. A little salt. Give it a nice mix. Just to get them together, put a little olive oil in it and leave it aside. Now let's treat the fish. As I told you, the fish is nicely cleaned with nice deep cuts made into it. So let's add lemon juice, salt, and the roasted cumin powder. Rub the fish with this marinade. See that the lemon juice has gone into the cuts. Leave the fish aside for 5 minutes. As you can see, the fish is all stuffed and ready. Let's prepare the tray for the grilling. Take a foil paper, apply a little oil, place the fish on it. Take a tempering bowl, add a little olive oil. We are going to temper the fish with garlic before it goes for grilling. So add some garlic, let it turn and become nice and brown. Pour it over the fish and then cover it with foil again and put it for grilling for 10 to 12 minutes. The oil has become hot. Let's add the pods of garlic which are crushed and let's temper it. A nice aroma of burnt garlic should emerge and then temper it on the fish. The garlic is nicely turned brown in color. Let's pour the tempering over the fish. Cover it with foil again and put it for grilling at 180. The fish is kept for grilling at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. It has to be nicely brown in color when it comes out and a nice aroma of garlic should engulf it. The fish is already grilled. Its 10 to 12 minutes have gone by. So let's check on it and let's serve it. Yeah, let's open and check. As you can see, it's nicely done, crispy. You can get a nice aroma of garlic. Let's plate this out. The Lebanese grilled fish is ready. It's garnished with carrots and parsley. You can serve it with the lentil rice or have it with the pita or any stew.